Hello everyone, my name is Gautam Hari. In today's session, I'll be speaking about strategies for migration to AWS Cloud. So, why the need to migrate your applications to AWS Cloud? You see, migrating applications to the AWS Cloud can unlock significant benefits from enhanced scalability and cost savings to improve security and operational efficiency. However, a successful migration requires a clear strategy to minimize risks and maximize results. So, here we will explore six key strategies for migrating applications to AWS Cloud, each tailored to address different businesses' needs and technical requirements. Whether you are planning a simple lift and shift approach or a complete re architecture, these approaches can help you achieve a smooth, effective, and optimized migration journey. Cloud migration phases. AWS's guides for cloud migration presents a structured approach with five distinct phases for transitioning to AWS Cloud. Phase 1: Migration, Preparation, and Business Planning. This phase focuses on laying a solid foundation for a successful transition to the cloud. This phase involves accessing the organization's current IT landscape, defining clear migration goals, and understanding the business benefits and potential challenges of migrating to AWS. Discovery and planning. In this phase, organizations delve deeper into their IT environment to gain a comprehensive understanding of all applications, dependencies, and also infrastructure components that will be impacted by the migration. This phase involves cataloging workloads, mapping interdependencies, and identifying any legacy systems that might require special handling or modernization before moving to AWS. Phase 3: Designing and migrating applications. In this designing phase, organizations create a robust architecture blueprint that maps out the cloud environment, focusing on scalability, security, and also performance optimization. This design aligns the organization's objective with AWS's best practices, covering areas such as data storage, network configuration, and application integration. Now, the migrating phase then puts the plan into action, moving applications and data to the AWS cloud according to the roadmap. This process may involve incremental migrations or bulk transfers depending on the workload and the chosen strategy. Phase 4: Validating applications. Finally, in this validating application stage, the organization rigorously tests the migrated applications to ensure they function correctly in the new environment. This includes validating performance, conducting security checks, and confirming compliance with regulatory standards. Phase 5. In this final phase, operate focuses on establishing operational best practices to maintain and optimize applications in the AWS cloud environment. After migration, organizations shift their focus to monitoring, managing, and continuously improving the cloud infrastructure. So, these are the application migration techniques. So, I will go through the different application migration techniques on the AWS, also known as the 6 Rs. Migration shouldn't be taken lightly and it needs plenty of investment long before you are taking your first migration step. It is important that you just determine what's in your environment and also the migration strategy for every application. There are a few approaches to migrating applications to the clouds. Unless these strategies, you will be able to begin begin to stipulate an idea on how you will approach migrating each of the applications in your portfolio. Specifically for this purpose, we have got six approaches that we see as common migration strategies for application. The six strategies are retain, retire, rehost, replatform, repurchase, and re-architect. These are also referred to as the six R's. We will go through all these migration strategies in the next session in detail. So this will be for today's session. Thank you.